everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent English Mentor Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
Yes, we are so happy you're here with us again. How are you today, Jack?
I'm feeling great, energetic, a little excited actually, because today's topic is powerful.
Oh, yes. Today's topic can change the way you speak English completely.
Completely, totally, 100%.
Today, we are giving you 10 brand new brain training tricks to help you speak English faster and more naturally.
These tricks are not the usual ones you hear everywhere. They are special.
Yes, we created these based on teaching experience, real student problems, and practical psychology.
And don't worry, they are super easy. Anyone can do them.
But before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to Fluent English Mentor.
Yes. Hit that subscribe button, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends who want to improve their speaking.
Your support helps us make more helpful lessons.
All right, Emma, are you ready?
I am ready. Here we go. 10 brain training tricks to speak English faster and more naturally. Trick number 1 is something I love. It is called the instant picture rule.
Ooh, I like the name. Sounds mysterious.
It's very simple. When you hear a word, don't think of the translation. Think of a picture.
For example, if you hear apple, don't think of the translation in your language.
Yes, instead, imagine a real apple. Red, round, shiny.
When your brain thinks in pictures, you speak faster because you skip the translation step.
Exactly. Translation slows you down. Pictures speed you up.
Let's try a few quickly.
Okay, listeners, imagine these words. No translation, only pictures.
Coffee,
Rain,
airport,
family.
sunset.
See? Your brain reacts faster with images.
This is how children learn language. They see, not translate.
And we want your brain to work like a child, learning naturally.
Trick number 2 is fun. It's called the 5-second sentence maker.
This sounds like a challenge. I like challenges.
The rule is, when you hear a word, you must make a sentence in 5 seconds or less.
No long thinking, no planning, just speak.
For example, I say book.
I am reading a book. Done.
Nice. Another one. Morning.
I woke up early this morning.
Perfect. You didn't overthink, you just reacted.
And this is how fluent speaking works. Fast reaction, not perfect grammar.
Yes, fluency is speed, not perfection.
Listeners, try this every day for 5 minutes. Trick number 3 is one of my favorites, the brain warm-up ritual.
Oh, like warming up before exercise.
Exactly. Before you speak English, warm up your brain with 30 seconds of easy sentences.
For example, I am here. I am listening. Today is a good day.
Or, I want to learn. I feel ready. I like English.
These sentences are simple, but they activate your speaking system.
Yes, they wake up your brain-muscle connection.
It's like stretching before running.
If you do this every day, your speaking becomes much smoother.
Trick 4 is more like a game, the speed thoughts game.
Sounds fun already.
You choose a topic like food, school, travel, sports.
Then you think as fast as you can, in English, about that topic for 30 seconds.
Not speaking, just thinking.
For example, food. In your mind, pizza, rice, cooking, dinner, hungry, vegetables.
The goal is to push your brain to think in English quickly.
Yes, fast thinking leads to fast speaking.
And the best part? You can do this anywhere.
On a bus, in your car, while cooking. Trick number 5 is important for confidence, the follow the flow technique.
This means you keep talking even if your brain gets stuck.
Yes, no stopping, no freezing.
For example, if you forget the word calendar, what do?
You describe it. It's the thing that shows days and months.
Yes, you kept the flow.
The biggest speaking problem is stopping. Once you stop, your brain becomes slow.
If you continue speaking, you stay in the flow.
Trick 6 is very powerful, the copy the emotion method.
I love this so much.
When you listen to a native speaker, don't only copy their words.
Copy their feelings, excitement, surprise, curiosity, sadness.
English is emotional. That's why it sounds natural.
For example, when someone says, "Really?" you can copy the feeling behind it.
Or wow, or oh no.
When you copy emotion, your voice becomes natural, not robotic. Trick 7 is physical, the 3-minute mouth sprint.
Oh, like running, but for your mouth.
Exactly. For 3 minutes, speak continuously. Anything.
Not perfect sentences. Just talk.
Today, I woke up, I drank coffee, I am thinking about lunch, the weather is cold.
The goal is speed, not accuracy.
Your mouth becomes used to moving fast in English.
And this increases fluency dramatically.
Trick 9 is something unique, the real-life English mirrors.
What does that mean?
You choose real things around you and say their names in English.
For example, your kitchen. Fridge, spoon, cup, stove, sink, plate.
Your living room. Window, sofa, carpet, lamp, table.
This connects English to your real environment.
And your brain learns faster because it sees real objects.
Trick 10, the next sentence prediction habit. Predict what comes next, like Netflix subtitles.
And finally, trick number 10, the next sentence prediction habit. When you listen to English, try to guess the next sentence before the speaker says it.
For example, if someone says, "I'm so hungry today," you predict, maybe they want to eat lunch.
Or someone says, "It's raining a lot." You predict, maybe they will say they need an umbrella.
This trains your brain to think ahead.
And fluent speaking is all about thinking ahead.
Wow, we gave so much powerful information today.
Yes, let's do a quick review. Trick 1, instant picture rule.
Trick 2, 5-second sentence maker.
Trick 3, brain warm-up ritual.
Trick 4, speed thoughts game.
Trick 5, follow the flow technique.
Trick 6, copy the emotion.
Trick 7, 3-minute mouth sprint.
Trick 8, brain fillers technique.
Trick 9, real-life English mirrors. Remember, you don't need to use all 10 tricks today.
Yes, start with 1 or 2. Small steps create big fluency.
Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference.
And don't forget, you can speak English faster. Your brain just needs training.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Fluent English Mentor.
Give this episode a like and share it with someone who is also learning English.
And tell us in the comments, which trick will you try first?
We read every comment, and your feedback helps us make better lessons.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Have a great day, everyone.
Bye for now.